into La Pintada, Panama. The plan is that there is no plan, like my friend Charlie says. Domino's Pizza food truck. These mountains are just so beautiful. I hope it comes out in the video. Maybe we can take out the drone again. Look at that over there. It looks like a shark fin or something. Beautiful place. La Pintada, Panama. La Pintada Inn. This is our hotel for the night. Here we are. Nice. Very nice, Darby. I like it already. Yes. Darby, I like it. Cheers. Hey guys.
Hey.
Where are you going? Hurry back.
Yeah.
Here's tonight's room. Very, very nice. It's very, very nice AC for a change. Nice helmet storage system, racks. And here's the bathroom. Nice shower. But the most impressive thing of this place so far, I think, is that tiki bar area and the swimming pool with that type of eternity pool feel.
Claro.
Mango trees everywhere. Whoa, man down. Man down. Oh, he broke his Husqvarna flip-flops. So the hotel has mango trees, beautiful views, and also a river. So we're gonna see if we can swim in the river. It's been raining.
I need a Yamaha flip-flop.
Yeah, you need some Yamaha flip-flops. So it's kind of slippery downhill, but it's beautiful. We're gonna set up the hammock and a new Trekology pillow that I have that I've been dying to see how it is. It's a new remodeled version, the revised Trekology pillow.
This is small?
Yeah. Okay, kind of sad. There's a dead toucan on the rock here. Okay, I got my blockers on, 4 low, and I'm gonna try to head to that little pool right up there. Guys, here we are in the beautiful La Pintada Hotel. We're gonna test out, I've been wanting to test out the new Trekology pillow redesigned with Latitude's ADV.
Yeah, man.
All right, you tell me for sure if you like it, okay?
Yeah.
A loft pillow 2.0.
Ah, tiene antirresbalante aquí. Está bueno. Vamos a probarlo, pues. Ya no sale. Very nice. Yeah. Nice. Oh, hasta mañana.
Okay. See you later, Darby. We're going to the pool. Guys, I hope you're enjoying our Panama adventure. Adam, the manager here, super nice guy. I highly recommend that you make a little pit stop here at least one night.
La Pintada Inn.
La
Come
Pintada.
and enjoy the river.
This is Adam. This is who you're gonna bump into as soon as you get here. And beautiful Victoria.
Victoria.
Hi.
And Ed Gardo, super chef extraordinaire.
Yes, because it's just beautiful. Huge, beautiful river on the property, the pool, the views, the food. The rooms are great. Hey, Darby.
Hello, my friend.
Where are you going?
To the next adventure.
Okay. I promised you I would show you Darby's bike, and now is the time.
The Venom.
That's it, baby. 2020 Kawasaki KLR with everything that you would want on it.
2016.
2016, but it looks like 20 for me. Link in the description.
And the best channel for adventure.
Woohoo! I hope you enjoyed today's video in Panama, and I hope you like the adventure series in Panama. Latitudes ADV,
Hey, yeah.
his beautiful girlfriend.
My wife.
Your wife, his wife, his
My
wife.
wife.
It sounds cooler if it says girlfriend. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you like the videos, and until the next time.